Lungs are the veritable lifeline of our body, the unsung heroes that quietly take the brunt of daily pollution, secondhand smoke, and for some, years of personal smoking habits. Especially if you're a smoker or a former smoker, you've likely experienced the damaging effects firsthand. But did you know that you could kickstart the process of lung detoxification right from the comfort of your own home? Yes, it is possible to cleanse your lungs, rejuvenate them and enhance their function with a few simple steps. Exercise regularly. An active lifestyle is crucial for lung health. Regular exercise, such as walking, jogging, or swimming, can increase your lung capacity and improve their efficiency. Exercise helps to flush out the toxins from your body through increased breathing, circulation, and perspiration. Improve indoor air quality. Keep your indoor air clean. Avoid artificial fragrances, aerosols, and other chemical pollutants. Consider investing in air purifiers and indoor plants like spider plants, snake plants, or aloe vera, which naturally filter the air. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Diet plays a significant role in lung health. Antioxidants fight against harmful substances in your body. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, green leafy vegetables, and nuts, can help protect your lungs and repair some of the damage done by smoking. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water can help in flushing out toxins from the body. Hydration aids in maintaining healthy mucosal linings in the lungs and keeps them moist, which helps to improve their function. Deep breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing exercises, like pranayama or pursed lip breathing, to increase your lung capacity. This can help eliminate toxins and improve circulation. Quit smoking. If you're still smoking, the best thing you can do for your lungs is to quit. It's never too late to reap the benefits of quitting. Seek professional help if needed. There are many effective therapies and medications to aid in smoking cessation. Regular checkups. Regular health checkups can help in early detection of any potential lung disease. If you've been a smoker or exposed to secondhand smoke, this step is crucial. Remember, while these steps can assist in detoxifying your lungs, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Your journey to rejuvenated lungs and a healthier lifestyle starts with you taking the first step. Now breathe in, breathe out, and embark on this healing journey.